Hello everyone, this is Revati working as an assistant professor in the Department of Information Technology from SNS College of Engineering. In my today lecture series, we are going to see about the switching concept which is in the network subject under the network layer. Let's move on to the topic. The services provided by the network layers are packetizing, routing and forwarding. Then other services which are comes under the network layers are error control, flow control, congestion control, quality of service and security. Error control is nothing but it will control the errors in the data packets between the data transfer of network, then the detecting and correcting the network traffic in the data transmission, and the congestion control is nothing but reducing the data transfer traffic rate in the network layer, and the quality of service is nothing but improve the quality of services in order to reduce the latency and jitter between the data transfer of computer networks. Then the security, it ensures the authentication of the services and data transferred in the computer network like LAN and WAN. Then next concept is switching. Switching is a process of switching is a process of data transfer between the switch in the network, and packet switching is nothing but how to convert the whole message into the packets, and the each and every packet sent to the receiver separately, and here the source is the center and the destination is nothing but the receiver. The destination waits for all packets belonging to the same message. Switching is the concept of delivering data packets from the network. The next topic is the packet switching. Before moving on to the packet switching, how to know about the switching concept. Switching is nothing but a process of transferring data packets in the computer networks or between the computer devices. Here the packet switching is nothing but a manageable messages will be divided into packets, and each packets have to send to the receiver one by one. Here the center will send the packets to the receiver one by one. Also the receiver will receive the packets one by one. Next, here the packet switching is divided into two types, datagram packets and the virtual circuit packets. And the datagram approach is also called as connectionless services. When the network layer provides a connectionless service, each packet traveling in the internet in the independent entity. Here when the network layer provides a connectionless services means the internet is act as an independent entity. That means there is no relationship between the packets, and the switches in the type is called as routers. Here is the example flow diagram of packet switching. Here the sender and receiver is in the network will how to transfer the packets from sender to receiver. Here the main whole message is divided into 4 packets named as 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here the connectionless means the packets will send to the receiver using any one of the way. Here the packet 1 is choose the route 1, and the packet 2 choose the routed 2, and the packet 4 and 3 and 4 chosen the router 3, and here the again the packet 3 chosen the router 4 as the intermediate, then the next packet 4 choose the router 5 directly. Here the router 5 is the destination router. It will collect all the packets and send those packets to the receiver in the receiving order, but the receiver will rearrange the packets which is coming from the center, that means 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is called as packet switching. Here the one table is maintained for switching, that is called routing table. For each and every data transfer, how to update the routing table. If one packet received the destination, means how to update the source and destination value in the routing table. Likewise, for the all packets, how to fill the routing table. Next one is the virtual circuit approach. Here the virtual circuit is the connection oriented service. How to establish a connection before the data transfer between two devices, that means sender and receiver. Before all datagrams in a message can be sent, a virtual connection will be established, that is called as virtual circuit approach. But in the datagram approach, there is no connection established between the sender and the receiver. Let's see an example for understanding the concept of virtual circuit. Here the whole messages are divided into packets 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here the router 1, 3 and 4 chosen for the transmission. Before transferring of packets, have to establish a connection between sender router 1, router 3 and router 4 and receiver, and also the packets will be sent through the same path, that means same circuit. And also the router 4 will receive the packets in the same order which was sent by the sender. Here also the routing table will be followed. For each and every data transmission, have to update the routing table. And also the connection establishment will be done in two phases. First one is setup phase and second one is